Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are visiting Zandvoort aan Zee in the Netherlands. As always, you can find all the timestamps of the different locations in the description. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Well, that's it for my visit in Zandvoort aan Zee. I hope you liked the video, and of course if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel as more videos are coming, and comment on which city I should visit next. Thank you, until next time, bye!